A mountain bike usually weighs between 10 and 14 kilograms, which can be a bit challenging when loading it into the trunk or onto a car's roof. If you have multiple bikes, it can be even more taxing on your back. But now there's a solution. Meet the first bike rack on the market that can load bikes automatically. The top-of-the-line model weighs 52 kilograms, and it's capable of carrying up to 148 kilograms of weight, accommodating up to 5 bikes at once. All you need to do is lock the bike wheels and use the included remote control. It's a quick, easy, and safe process. For those who prefer something unique, they also offer a trike version. The price starts at $1,800 for a single bike model. A 7.5-liter water container for $240. That's right, but here's what makes it special. Firstly, it comes with a battery, compressor, nozzles, and other accessories. Secondly, the shape of the container allows you to collect rainwater, which can be handy for using it as a portable shower during outdoor trips. And thirdly, these containers are made from LDPE, just like food containers and cosmetic tubes. It's worth noting that the battery lasts for about half an hour, but it comes with 7 different nozzles, so every minute of use will be highly productive. Six-meter containers are a staple in transportation, comprising about 25% of the global container fleet. It's no surprise they're used widely. There's even a system for pickup trucks to handle them. Loading and unloading containers weighing up to 8.2 tons takes just 10 minutes, and no additional equipment is required. Moreover, a single person can handle the task with precision and an accuracy within 2.5 centimeters. These systems are perfect for tight spaces and emergency situations like disaster relief efforts. The price is available upon request. Last year, 178 police officers in the USA suffered gunshot wounds while on duty. Compared to 2019's, this number increased by 19%, making these protection systems an absolute necessity. The 3ANIG model is manufactured using the same technology as military-grade armor. Capable of withstanding shotgun shots, it adds only 4.5 kilograms of weight to the door. The New York City Police Department, the largest municipal police force in the country, has chosen this very protection for their offices. Additionally, the window is reinforced with a special transparent insert based on solutions used by the Ministry of Defense. Some fish puff themselves up to appear larger and intimidate enemies. Meanwhile, some people do the same by buying huge vehicles. Take, for example, the Ford Super Duty, which measures 6.8 meters. However, there is a catch. Getting into this vehicle can be quite challenging, but if you have the funds for such a car, you could also invest in some side steps. With these steps for the Ford Endeavor, you will need to raise your foot to 370 millimeters, but only to 260 millimeters. It's really easy to use. You open the door and the steps extend. You close the door and they retract. Plus, they can support a weight of up to 400 kilograms. Attention car owners, have you ever thought about protecting your tow hitch? An American company has come up with a solution for just $200 to ensure your hitch's safety. This hitch skid plate is made from 6.4mm thick steel and offers 2 nifty features that justify its price. Firstly, it can be complemented with accessories like fishing rod holders, bike racks, and other options. Secondly, it doubles as a handy multi-tool. It has a built-in bottle opener, and when flipped over it becomes a wheel chock. The design turned out to be so great the company has already applied for a patent. Now the police, doctors, and military personnel are being offered this hitch protection. Here is proof that even wealthy people face challenges. Imagine their beloved motorcycle not fitting in the bed of their favorite pickup truck. This brilliantly simple solution comes at a price of $180. It's an insert that allows you to keep the tailgate open. This clever solution provides an extra 66 centimeters of length, making it easy to transport not only motorcycles, but also tools, building materials, and anything else you might need. Installing this upgrade takes only an hour or two, and it fits most pickup trucks like the Chevrolet Colorado. It also comes with special straps. When you're done with transportation and no longer need the inset, you can easily remove it using the quick-release pins. Aeration is essential for a healthy lawn, as it allows the right amount of water, air, and nutrients to penetrate the soil. The result is a beautiful and dense lawn, so it's best not to put off aeration for later. Even if the only piece of equipment you have on your property is a Range Rover, a little ingenuity can get the process started. Just find an aerator attachment for a lawn mower, study its design, and then create a version nearly 4 times larger. The approximate size is 60 centimeters, and the inventor's plan includes testing it at speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour. These towing systems are truly time-tested. They were first introduced back in 2003. Now, 20 years later, they're still as relevant as ever, especially considering that the top version can handle a hefty load of up to 4.5 tons. The manufacturer was one of the pioneers in implementing computer testing using the FEA method, the same method used by NASA. The exclusive design offers the industry's largest maneuvering radius, and the installation and preparation for work are simple even when done alone. The electronic control system's wires are neatly concealed within the structure, eliminating the need to wrap them around the hitch. The price is substantial at $1,600 for the top version. Just an hour in the sun is enough to heat up a car's interior to a scorching 47 degrees Celsius. The logical solution is a car umbrella, and the creators of this one have been quite inventive. Firstly, it charges using the sun's energy, and with a full battery, it can be activated up to 40 times. Secondly, it's easy to install and use thanks to the remote control. And thirdly, you can take it with you on fishing trips, camping, or to the beach. Its special legs allow you to set it up anywhere. For $500, you can save your car's interior from the heat, protect its paint from fading, and yourself from heat stroke. On the screen, we have the conceptual electric car, the Citroën 1919, designed to mark the brand's 100th anniversary and hint at its future possibilities. The French describe it as a real UFO in the automotive world, and explain that the concept has 2 motors with a combined power of 462 horsepower, allowing it to travel up to 800 kilometers on a single charge. The concept tires, developed with the help of the American company Goodyear, deserve special attention. They are nearly a meter in diameter and have a tire tread that can harden or soften adapting to various weather and road conditions. Moreover, the driver can assess their condition at any time and changes on time as needed. Next, we have the American Team Rubicon dog and their solution for transporting dogs. Interestingly, some U.S. residents spend over $2,000 a year on their 4-legged companions, so the $700 price tag for this product isn't surprising. In return, they offer something resembling a cross between a booster seat and a pet carrier. It may look strange, but it fits most 4-door cars perfectly. The structure weighs 10 kilograms and is designed for dogs weighing 18 to 36 kilograms. It securely attaches to the rear seat using the seat belt. The design ensures the dog's comfort, whether they prefer sitting or lying down, and the owner won't have to worry about cleaning the seats. For those who find the price too high, they can spend $5 to get in the VIP waiting list and get the new product for $379. In 2008, a hailstorm damaged 30,000 new Volkswagen cars waiting for shipments, something that the owners of this company won't soon forget. And it seems that there are more challenges ahead as climate change and related disasters have even been discussed at the UN. While those in high positions are contemplating what to do, regular drivers have to adapt to unexpected weather and add protective measures to their vehicles, such as this gale cover that can be inflated remotely. It comes with an app to alert about approaching bad weather. Setting it up takes just 20 minutes, and there are options available. Up to 6.8 meters in length, the cover is breathable and protects against UV radiation. The starting price is $430. Off-road enthusiasts, know that a winch is not a luxury, but a necessity as it can save your own or someone else's vehicle. This particular winch is intriguing for several reasons. Firstly, it can be mounted directly on the wheel, making it simple and quick to install. Secondly, no special skills are required. Just keep the arms low and tow. Thirdly, it works with any drivetrain and transmission, and its maximum pulling capacity is limited only by the car's engine. The only potential drawback might be the price. The basic kit will cost around $300. Now let's go to Switzerland, where they've come up with this loading system. According to the team, this system truly makes a pickup truck. A pickup truck with it loads of up to 500 kilograms can be easily maneuvered back and forth without straining your back. They also offer options for vans. Assembling or removing the system is as simple as installing a roof rack. Of course, it comes with a remote control that has just 4 buttons, making it easy to use without any mistakes. The system's dimensions allow it to fit into vehicles used by road, municipal emergency, and other services. Expectations flying taxis and diners, like in the Fifth Element's reality car jack carts for sideways parking. It's not too bad after all. However, 2 questions arise. When do the traffic police think of this invention? And is the price of $4,000 justified? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next video.